everyone. You want good sound? These sound good. I want you to listen to them and compare with some of the best sellers. I will also perform for you some shake tests and some waterproofing tests and tell you more information.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like
Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us. On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, everyone you ever heard of, every human being who ever was lived out their lives. The aggregate of our joy and suffering, thousands of confident religions, ideologies, and economic doctrines, every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilization, every king and peasant, every young couple in love, every mother and father, hopeful child, inventor, and explorer.
IPX7 certification means that they are tested to stay 1 hour in 3 feet of water. You need to know that the Bluetooth signal doesn't propagate in water, so whatever you choose, you won't be able to do this sort of swimming, but you can do this and this one. Now, shake test.
It don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. It don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. It don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing.
Let me finish by showing you what's in the package. You get a free Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. You get these rubber rings. It goes around the earbuds. It's for extra hold if you're doing heavy sports. You also have these adapters so you don't have to carry an extra cord. Thank you so much.